Good evening and welcome to Weather Channel's special news update.
Today, our update is about climate change in Iceland.
For those who don't know, Iceland is a small island country 2,800 miles northeast of Virginia.
Past 100 years, the temperatures have risen in the capital Reykjavik and all over the small island. Rising temperatures have reduced the size of glaciers in the island that once covered 11% of the land.
This melting of glaciers has caused the land to literally rise because of the weight of the glaciers being reduced.
Now to Emily for more effects and evidence.
Thanks, guys. As you can see in the capital Reykjavik, the temperatures rose from 1930 to 1940, but they fell from 1960 to 1980. However, when you look over at another major city in Iceland, Storbein, from 2003, you can see that the temperature rose to about 54 degrees Fahrenheit. The average temperature has risen by about 33 degrees Fahrenheit. This is contributing to glacial melting, mentioned by Oilver, but also an effect called rock rebound. Glacial melting has caused small islands in Iceland to begin rising due to the weight being released by the melting ice. This could trigger more volcanic activity on the islands that contain currently about 30 active volcanoes.
Global warming isn't just in Iceland, it's also right here in Northern Virginia. Temperatures have risen by 1.5 degrees over the past years. It may not seem like a big deal, but it's very big.
These changes have caused extreme and unpredictable weather changes. Examples of this is sea levels rising, intense drought, hotter heat waves, and larger and more powerful storms.
These extreme changes in weather can be determined by our graphical displays. We use data from NASA and many other places to make these graphs. We use this data that we gain from NASA to track the temperature changes here in NOVA and in Iceland.